Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in. Welcome to Channel Yam. I'm so excited because today we're getting a real Christmas tree. I'm so excited. Yes. This is my favorite 5th day of the year. I'm going to say 5th because, whatever. But we're going to get a tree, so come along with us. I got Harper with me. Say hi.
Yo.
Yeah. So, we're so excited. And this is his first time getting a real Christmas tree. So, and it's our anniversary. We've been together 1 year. That's so cute. So come right along with us. Thank you.
Started. Vlogger, what do you mean? Look what I got. Show the people what I got. They did not have my Aldi's, what's it called? My Aldi's outfit today. So they running late on the stock.
Coming back straight from y'all. We're almost there. And this place is called Our Farm Christmas Tree. Look at all the trees. I'm so excited. I'm gonna let him go. This is going fast. And they all have some really nice houses. I don't know if these are the owners who live over here, but it's really, really nice. We have our own saw. We don't need theirs.
Might as well take
Have a tag on them, like the other years. They'll have the price, the variety, and the height for you. Take a little bit of the guesswork out for you. Let's see. Directions. All the arrows are the same as last.
What the heck? Any of these ones. Y'all gonna see me grind today.
Yeah.
Because these are all the.
That's cool.
And of course, these are expensive ones.
Oh, no, hell
These ones are all 100 and up.
no. You know, itty bitty. These little bitty
No, you
trees?
cannot cut those.
Oh.
Those are still growing.
It's like a white one.
They spray paint some of them. I wonder why they don't have my favorite one. These are the trees that I usually get. It's the Scotch pine, but they're not ready this year. So we have to pick one of these ones. And these are called Fraser. I don't know which one I like. That one looks cute. Did you even look on the whole thing? You have to look on the whole thing. Like walk around in the circle. Because this says 8 to 9 feet.
It looks short. Because then by the time we cut it, it's probably not going to be that tall. My favorite ones are the fluffy and fat ones. I want a fat one. The fatty fatty. I kind of like that, but I don't like how it doesn't look super green. You want a super green one. This kind of looks cute. You want to hold this saw for me? That'd be great, thank you. They said this is 8 feet. And you see how they're coming and they're holding it? That's how we have to do. Well, you're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna drive. Yeah, I love it. Okay, let's look over here. I'm so indecisive. Yeah, I think I locked the car. Let's hope. Who cares if I didn't? We're in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, that probably is the reason to lock it. I don't know which one, guys. Where are you? Is it green? Okay, excuse me guys, I fell. Now, I can see a hole right there. Yeah, make sure there's no hose. It has to be perfect. I think these ones are not even finished growing. Yeah, those ones over there are not finished growing. How I know is because I think it looks like this. Someone cut this tree. I think it was one at the beginning that we seen. You probably is the one who said it. That looked really full. But the thing was, it wasn't really green. Yeah, that's where the tree keeper lives. No, I don't like that one either. Okay, guys, we think we found the one we want. It's this one. RJ is going to go ask the people, can we take it? Because it doesn't have a tag on it, but all of the ones around it has a tag. And I really want this. It's really full all the way around. And I like a fat tree. A big old bootylicious tree. So, especially at the top, I want my tree to be full at the top. I don't want it to look skinny at the top. And this looks really full at the top. It does not give this. You said no? Aww. You said no. They said we can't have it. We should just cut it down. But no, it's okay. Back to still searching. Alright, we found the next up best. This is how it looks. It's a little big. And Harper's cutting. And this is how it looks at the top. It is 8 to 9 feet. This was our second choice, but we didn't measure the ceiling, so we can't get this one. So yeah. He's so strong. Ooh, he's almost done. Ooh.
take it out.
You almost done, babe.
Chop. She got in my nose.
You got
Ooh.
sneeze?
Nah, it just tickled my damn brain. Ooh, shit.
It's like the COVID.
Hell no.
No, I'm saying, you know when they stick the thing in your nose?
That's literally what just happened. This right here. Little bitch.
Okay, I'm gonna have to edit that out. So push it. You should be able to push it now. Like, towards where you already at. Because you only have a little left. Where it goes timber. Yeah, so just push it. Woohoo! And it is cut. Yay! And that only took 1 minute and 49 seconds. And we have our tree, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Harper. Woo! Your first tree. Yay! And my strong man did not need help carrying it to the car. Oh, get y'all a man who know how to carry a real Christmas tree. A real one. Yeah. Oh, he look good. Yeah. Thank you, baby. We only parked a block away. Where is the car? Oh, it's up here. We just gotta keep walking past where those people is at. You gonna have it? Because at this point, you might as well walk to the front.
Huh?
No, keep coming. You got it. No, I'm not. I'm not even going more than 5. And then now we're gonna go. And that's where they're gonna do the barreling to put on top of my car. And then they're shaking my little tiny tree. It's so small now. It's okay though, it's okay. Next year we're gonna measure before we come out here. I do this every single year. Literally. And then they put it in there. Woohoo! And then they're gonna put it on top of my car. And now we get to go pay and get a little treat. No.
My hand out to give you this.
Cheers. Look at you, about to fall. Got you in 4K.
Real niggas trip, but don't fall.
And now it goes on the car. Thank
Appreciate
you.
Same
Merry
y'all,
Christmas to
thank
y'all too. So Mr. Harper wanted to get an already cut tree. Let's look at the prices of the already cut tree. They're the same prices. Last year would be in Tamara in here. It was not the same prices. They was literally like $300. Ask Tamara. But it's all about the experience. And then, I don't know how long these trees been cut. That's why I just like to cut out my trees. Hi. RJ, you could go be Santa Claus. You can go be Santa Claus. Go sit over there. Go stand over there. Oh yeah, you can just keep holding it. It's just recording. So now we're at JR's Outpost. I believe it's in somewhere in Minnesota. I don't know.
And RJ got, I don't know what that is.
Smothered chicken.
Smothered chicken. And I got their signature wings. So yeah, the game is on. Okay, so I already ripped it open. Ignore me. But you want to put down first your removable bag and skirt for the tree. So when you're done with the tree, you can pull it all up, throw it in the trash, whatever you do. We like to do a bonfire with ours. So ignore that. Then you're gonna open it. So and just spread it out until you get to the bottom piece. Don't rip it. The first year I did this, I accidentally ripped that part. And just make sure it's like that. And then this is our tree stand. And you're gonna put the tree stand in the middle of it. So, and just, you don't really have to fluff it up or anything or make it pretty, because the next part is,
Yeah, they see.
so the next part is we are going to put the tree inside the tree stand. And if you're gonna get a real tree, I recommend getting a sturdy tree stand. So just loosen this up. Lefty-loosey. Oh, wait, is that lefty? Yes, loosen it up. Our thing is not that big. Our tree stump. There you go. But don't get a cheap one or you're gonna be mad. Okay, that's tightening it up. And with the cheap ones, your tree will go the wrong way. This tree stand can hold, I believe, a 15-footer. Maybe, don't quote me. Our ceilings ain't that high. We not put no 15. Now let's go get the tree. And now he's gonna cut the tree from the car. And he's not going to cut these parts until we are in the house. So please be careful, guys, and do not cut the actual things on the tree, or it's just gonna make it harder for you when you are putting it on your tree stand. And so he is strong, so he should be able to carry one hand, but he doesn't have his gloves on. Where's your gloves?
Here.
He said he didn't need gloves, y'all. And I'll come open the door. And now Harper is gonna cut it for the revealing of it. And hopefully he does not cut any leaves. And yes, it did scrape my ceiling, and we own this house, so I don't care. It's not like we're gonna get a whooping or something. This is what kind of tree we got. A little more to the way you're just turning it. A little more. A little going the other way. Can you push it towards the center of the window? A little more.
Now rotate it towards the front door. Okay, back the other way. A little more. Right there. Okay, stop. And perfect. And now just cut a tiny off the top. Yep. Thanks for tuning in to the Yam channel and coming along with us on our anniversary to get this lovely tree. Thank you to this lumberjack, man of the Lord, for helping us with the tree. I really love it. How is your experience? 1 out of 10? He's like, I don't like her right now.
Broke the scale.
Thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you have not already done so you guys can see the next part is when we decorate it. He's not going to be decorating with us, just a little bit. Yeah, no, we're going to do this all by ourselves and make cookies. Bye, guys.
Every single